Welcome back to WHHI News. Joining me now, Deputy Fire Chief Joheida of Hilton Head Island. Thanks for coming in.
No problem.
You are working on a great project here on the island to take flags that are ready for retirement and do so properly. Tell me a little bit about that.
So we worked with a Boy Scout. He was working on his Eagle Scout project, and we worked with him to put 3 boxes on the island at 3 of our fire stations so that people would have a place to drop off the flags. And then we do a retirement ceremony on June 14th on Flag Day.
Now, you had told me before we started right now that people already have been coming by your locations to give you those flags because they want them to be retired properly. Is that right?
Yes, yeah. We received a lot of flags throughout the year. They would bring them to the fire stations or to our headquarters. And we just wanted to really give people a place to know where they could drop them off. And we've gotten a great response back. It seems like people maybe had been holding on to them for a while because our boxes are full every week when we go around to pick them up.
That's great. I think getting the word out and people knowing, hey, all I have to do is swing in, right? And you have the drop boxes at the locations. Maybe, as you say, they've been sitting there up in their attic or somewhere else, and now they know what to do. Has it been something that for him, did he get his Eagle Scout status because of this?
He did. He finished the project. And Peter Rougeux was a Boy Scout. He had been part of our Flag Day ceremonies previously, and so he was a great candidate to do it, this project with us, and it worked out great. He put them all in. He had some other Boy Scouts help him, and he finished them up, and then we started putting it out there.
And you would say, right, that at least hundreds have been collected so far?
Yes.
So that's probably a lot more concentrated number, even when you compare when people were swinging by throughout the year when you didn't have the drop boxes, right?
Yes, yeah. Our box at headquarters every week is stuffed full. So we have gotten a bunch since we started the program.
Give us an idea again of those locations that you have right now. So if people watching want to drop off a flag, where do they do that?
They can go to our Fire Station 1, which is on the shipyard. And then our headquarters, which if you come through the convenience center, you come right by the drop box. And then the other one is at Station 5, which is the front gate to Hilton Head Plantation.
Isn't it nice you call it the convenience center? And I hate to say it, but we go to the dump. I shouldn't call it that, convenience center or recycling, et cetera. But so those are very convenient because they're at different points on the island, which is nice.
We tried to locate them, one on the north end, one on the south end, and one mid-island. So.
And can they go any time of day or night and drop those off?
Yeah, it looks just like a mailbox, so you can just pull it open and put the flags in.
Do you do a special ceremony you mentioned on June 14th? What does that involve?
So what we do is the Boy Scouts and the American Legion come, our color guard, our honor guard does a ceremony, and then we start to burn the flags.
Because that is the proper way, right, to dispose of them.
Yes.
Is that open to the public?
We have the groups come. We haven't necessarily opened it to the public, but certainly if somebody would like to attend the ceremony, they can contact us at Fire Rescue Headquarters, and we can get them that information.
I think it would be kind of neat. I mean, when you mentioned that you have the color guard, that it would be kind of a special ceremony for people to watch as long as you don't get overwhelmed.
Yes.
So, and again, where is that taking place?
We do it at our training center, which is also part of our Fire Rescue Headquarters.
And that's near the convenience center, everybody. No, I know. Don't you, the training center, you actually do light fires and stuff, right, for training? Any other kind of work you do there?
They do. We were out there doing chainsaw operations the other day, and they do.
You guys have to get involved with chainsaws? And,
when we do tree removals.
Okay. Is that due to fire or to prevent fires?
No, it's actually like when we have storms and the trees fall across the road, so we...
emergency, right?
Yeah.
Duh, right, emergency management, that's part of it too. Boy, I'll tell you, can I throw something in? I hate when people don't have eye protection on and they're doing that, because I knew someone that actually got a splinter that went in the eye and was blinded. But anyway, I'm diverting. Sorry, everyone, little ADHD. What does it mean to you to be involved in this?
It is a great feeling, very patriotic, to know that we are helping to retire the flags in the proper way. And like I said, we have been a part of it for a while, and it's very heartwarming.
Yeah. Well, Joheida Pfister, I want to thank you for joining us here on WHHI News.
Thank you.
Great having you.
Great to be here.
Thinking of something to do for the weekend, or you want to know what's going on, we'll have Jess and Jeremiah here just after this break with your weekend warm-up. Stay right there.